In this video, learn how to add members to help you manage your organization on WhatsUp 24/7. Members can help you keep your directory listing up to date, add and edit events, manage co-promotions and plugins, and more. In your WhatsUp 24/7 dashboard, click Member Management from this menu on the left. Click Add Member to get started. Enter the new member's email address. If they already have a user profile on WhatsUp 24/7, use that email. Or enter the email where they would like to receive a sign-up invitation. Click into the Member Role field to reveal a drop-down menu and select a role. Owners have the most privileges, including the ability to delete other members and manage subscriptions and billing. For this example, I'm going to select Administrator, someone to simply help manage the organization's forward-facing information like profile, events, and more. Administrators can add other administrators only and are not allowed to delete any members. They also cannot view sensitive information like billing and subscription information. Now, click Add Member. This is the email that was sent to the new member after I added them as an administrator. This new member already had a user profile on WhatsUp 24/7, so this simply informs them that they are now an administrator for the organization and prompts them to log in. Next, let's add a member who is completely new to WhatsUp 24/7. Back in our dashboard, I'm going to click Add Member again. I'm going to enter an email address where they would like to receive an invitation to sign up for WhatsUp 24/7. I will assign their role as administrator from this drop-down. And click Add Member. On the far left of my member list, notice it says Pending Invite. It will say this until the invited member completes the sign-up process through the email they were sent. If they do not receive the email, ask them to check their spam folder and double-check that the email address was typed correctly in your dashboard. Here's what an invitation email will look like for a new member who does not yet have a user profile on WhatsUp 24/7. They will need to click Sign Up and complete our quick sign-up process. When they log in for the first time, they will be able to navigate to your organization's dashboard and begin to help you manage your information. As an owner, you can add or delete members at any time, and your administrators can follow these same instructions to add other administrators if they wish. But remember, they won't have access to delete other members or manage your billing or subscription information. Enhance your organization's efficiency by adding members today. And as always, if you need more help, reach out with an email to support@whatsup247.com.